Hello and welcome to today's video. The topic I've got for today is attraction marketing sending you broke. How's that for a topic, right? The point I'm trying to make here is really, I think there are many people fooling themselves when it comes to social media and marketing for their business. And please, before you jump all over me, I am in total favor of attraction marketing. I think it's fantastic, but I just want to share with you some thoughts about how you're using it, because maybe you're using it all the wrong way. I mean, for example, think about this. Are you sure that you're allocating your time the right way when it comes to growing your business? Think about that. How much time are you spending every day, especially if you've got a full-time job and then you're trying to build an online business. You come home from work and you've got this much time left, right? You haven't got much energy either because you've been working all day. Are you actually optimizing the time you've got? Or are you simply going onto Facebook and following the Facebook algorithm, all right, and trying to get as many likes as you can, but at the end of the day, what goes into your PayPal account? What goes into your bank account? Zero, okay? If that's you, then please listen to what I'm going to share with you, because I think it's important. The other thing I want you to think about is this. Do you ever stop and think, how can I get a better return, not just for my time, but for my effort on social media? I mean, I am really doing everything I can, okay? But it doesn't seem to be working for me. And so if you're frustrated in any way, okay, in any way at all, then hang in there, and I think I might be able to help you. Because the thing I want you to really think about is this. Maybe you have to rethink exactly what you're doing, how you're spending your time on social media, especially on the guerrilla Facebook where we are right now, okay? Because to be quite frank with you, this is the issue. Many people think, and maybe you're one of them, many people think as long as they're creating good quality content and they're providing value on social media, that's attraction marketing, which by the way, it is. And it's a really good thing to do. If you're creating relevant content to your target audience, that's attraction marketing, and it's extremely important. And why is it important? Because it's building your reputation, it's building your credibility, and also it's going to be generating potential leads for you. But if that's all you're doing, spending all your time creating attraction marketing content, right? And maybe commenting on other people's posts to get some leverage and get people to come back to your post, and you're playing the Facebook game, right? If that's all that you're doing, guess what? I will guarantee you that you're broke. Or if you're not broke, you're heading to that way, all right? You need to do something completely different to that. Bear with me, okay? My name is Peter Beckenham, the Village Marketer, and as always, talking to you from my little Thai village, way up near the Cambodian border. Let's look at this stuff, right? Attraction marketing. As I said before, it's good stuff, right? Because when you provide content to people, you are building credibility, you are building authority, okay? And you are getting to the point where you can start generating leads for yourself, all right? But are you doing this? A lot of people spend time creating attraction marketing content in order to avoid doing the thing they really ought to be doing. And what they ought to be doing is building their business. I'm not saying attraction marketing is wrong. Don't misunderstand me. What I'm saying is the time that you spend on attraction marketing perhaps is way too much. If you're spending hours and hours a day on Facebook and you've got zero in your PayPal or zero in your bank balance, or you've earned less than 5,000 even from all your efforts on Facebook, something's got to change, right? Because if it's not going to change, you're playing games with yourself. You're not building a business at all. Really, are you? You just spend a lot of time, and be quite frank, I'd much rather be profitable than popular. Think about that. I really would, okay? So what I'm saying to you is this. Maybe you're spending a lot of time creating these Canva images, okay? Or creating the content and the thoughts for your Facebook Lives, which, by the way, is a fantastic way to drive leads, right? Maybe you're doing that, but you need to do more than that. What you need to do is, that's the attraction marketing side. But what you need to do is the business building side. Now, what in the hell is that? Okay, this is what it is. And here are the things this often scares the pants off people, right? And that's why they don't do it. One, prospecting, This is business building activity you've got to spend. And what I mean by prospecting, okay? Think about that. It's things like reaching out, messaging people, having discovery sessions, having strategy sessions, whatever you want to call it, okay? Good. Following up with people, following up with potential leads. These are things that people don't like doing, but this is the essential part of business. If you don't do that, then all the effort you put into attraction marketing is down the toilet. What's the point of it? You're wasting your time, okay? So you need to do prospecting. That's a business building activity. A second thing you need to be doing, which is more important than else, okay, apart from prospecting, is you need to be looking at the essential parts of building your business that take into account such things as, maybe if you're a network marketer, recruiting, enrolling people, training your new recruits, for example, if you're a network marketer, right? These are essential business building activities. And if you're not doing that, or you're not spending enough time doing that, then really your attraction marketing is going to be sending you broke. And this is my suggestion for you. If you're struggling, right? If you're struggling in some way with your business, okay, or if you're brand new in your business, then I would suggest you spend no more than 20% of your time on attraction marketing. I'm not saying ignore it, right? I'm not saying that, but don't spend any more than 20% of your time on attraction marketing. Spend at least 80% of your time building your darn business, right? Build your business, and preferably do it at the same time because they work together. Let me put it another way to you. I mean, I had someone this morning, I was talking to them, and they said, oh, no, Peter, no, attraction marketing's a lot of crap, right? Okay? I don't do any attraction marketing. I said, really, what do you do? So he told me, okay, this guy, in a nutshell, he's a taker, he's not a giver, right? There's no doubt about that. This guy, he contacts everyone he possibly can. He's sending messages all the time. He's got his bot system working and he's driving people damn crazy, right? And he's really proactive, right? Now, obviously, attraction marketing is passive, right? Whereas prospecting, like this is proactive. Now, I'm saying you need to be proactive, but not like this guy, because he's 100% proactive, but he doesn't provide any value at all. If people go to his profile on Facebook, okay, they're not going to see anything except Bitcoins, right? That's all he's on about. That's all he's on about. So therefore, he's got no credibility. He's got no authority. He's got no respect. He's got no trust factors involved with him. He's got no chance at all of doing any business on Facebook with the people he's reaching out to, all right? So that's the other extreme. So you need a balance. And all I'm suggesting, and if you're a really good marketer, I mean, we've got a guy on board here, Kim Willis, who's a brilliant marketer, okay? And he's probably in a situation now, Kim, where because of the work he's done with attraction marketing, he's getting people reaching out to him on a continual basis. But I will probably guarantee you that Kim is still proactive. He is still proactive, okay? He's still there in order reaching out to people and following up with people. And give me another example. If you're doing a Facebook Live, which is a really good way to build authority and generate leads, right? This is what I'm doing right now, right? If you're doing a Facebook Live, and then at the end of the Facebook Live, you don't do anything else, okay? You're just getting ready to do your next Facebook Live, then you've just wasted the time building a Facebook Live, right? What you need to do is be proactive after that. When people comment on your Facebook Live or like it or share it, you've got to be there. You've got to follow up with them. You have to be the one who generates the conversation, who opens the engagement, who gets the conversation going. Do not expect them to reach out to you. If they love your stuff. I mean, I've had people loving my Facebook Lives for a long time, right? Because I think this old Aussie in Thailand's got a few things to say. But if I waited for them to reach out to me, I'd be broke. I have to reach out to them. But when I do reach out to them, I'm reaching out to them with some credibility and some authority and some trust and respect because I keep giving. See? So you're matching the attraction marketing with your proactive business building activities. That is truly the message I'm trying to give you. And let me finish with a really good example. Just recently, Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, and Dean Graziosi. These three guys did a massive launch. You probably saw it, okay? And they attracted more than 250,000 people to their offer. 250,000. I mean, I am really delighted if I get 200 people, not 250,000, right? This 250,000 generated a 9-figure business, right? 9-figure, not 6, not 7, not 8, 9-figure business for them. But they spent, and these guys are well known, they've got the reputation, they've got the credibility, they've got everything, right? But they spent 50% of their time actively, and I mean proactively, promoting this offer. So it doesn't matter how big you are, you cannot sit back and just wait for people to seek you out. You can't do that. And if you are doing that, then attraction marketing is going to send you broke. That's truly my real message to you. I'm hoping like mad it's getting through, because there are people sharing with me every day, oh, look, I'm doing everything I can, but nothing's working for me. But these same people have real difficulty in picking up the phone to talk to somebody, or in sending a calendar link to set up a call, or following up with people because they're not sure what they're going to say and they're not sure what they should say and all this stuff. This sort of thinking is going to kill you. That sort of thinking is not going to build your business. And so what they continue to do is hide behind this false sense of security where they keep creating all these, and some of them are brilliant attraction marketing posts, right? But they're not getting any money. And one last thing. Last week I spoke to 2 people, and both these people have really, really good posts. They attract a lot of attention. They get a lot of likes and a lot of comments, right? But let me share this with you. I reached out to them on purpose because I said, I wanted to say thank you for sharing some fantastic content. And I just simply said, by the way, how's business? Okay? Neither of those people, neither of them, despite the fact they're getting 300, 400, 500, sometimes 600 comments and likes on their posts, neither of them had earned anything near $1,000 yet on Facebook. Neither of them. So I rest my case. I'd much rather be profitable than popular. That's my thoughts for you, all right? Here's my call to action. If you're interested, don't leave me a comment. By all means, leave me a comment and share this video if you think someone can benefit from it. But I've got a call to action. Send me a message, okay? Send me a message. And it's all about profitable, personalized prospecting. If you're interested in looking at, I'll send you a link to it. Just ask me for the PPP. If you're interested in that, by the way, it's not free. I'm going to charge you for it, but it's worth every cent. And it's not going to cost you much anyway. PPP. If you want that, ask me for it, I'll give it to you. All right. In the meantime, all the best from Thailand. I hope you got some messages that rang in with you today. Take care. Best wishes from Thailand. Bye for now.